In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an assignee in Wrike. Assigning tasks correctly is one of the most important parts of managing any project in Wrike. When every task has a clear owner, your team knows who's responsible for what, and nothing falls through the cracks. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through adding an assignee to a task using the table view, and I'll share some tips along the way so you can work more efficiently. First, open the project where you want to manage your tasks. From your Wrike workspace, navigate to the appropriate space and folder, then open the project. Make sure you're viewing it in the table or spreadsheet style view, where you can see your tasks listed in rows with different columns like title, status, dates, and assignee. If you don't see the table view right away, check the view options at the top of the screen and select the table view from there. Once you're in the correct project and view, look for the column labeled Assignee. This is where you'll assign ownership of each task. If the assignee column isn't visible, open the column settings or layout options and enable the assignee column so it appears in your table. Now, locate the task you want to update. Move across that task's row until you reach the assignee column. You'll see an empty cell if no one is assigned yet, or an avatar or name if someone is already assigned. To add or change an assignee, click directly on that empty space or on the current assignee entry. When you click on the cell, Wrike will open a small menu or drop-down. This will usually show a list of team members who are part of your account or workspace. Here, you can either scroll through the list or start typing the name of the person you want to assign. As you type, Wrike will filter the results and make it easier to find the right person, especially if you have a large team. Once you see the correct person in the list, simply click their name. The cell in the assignee column will update, showing their name or profile picture, confirming that the task now has an owner. If you need to change the assignee later, repeat the same process on that same cell and select a different person. And that's it. You've successfully added an assignee in Wrike, helping your team stay organized and accountable on every task.